Welcome, future millionaires. I think you're going to love this video. This is a pattern and technique for those who love swing trades and for those who are busy at jobs and need to swing trade. This is a technique I've been using for many years, especially in the first years when I was trying to grow confidence and grow consistency. Okay, your first step is to go to finviz.com on your browser. Then you will select screener. You'll come across the page to price and select a price that is under $10. And right next to the price, you'll see current volume, and you make a current volume that is over 200K. Then you will come across the page to market cap and select micro. Then you will click on the market cap tab so that you could order it from smallest to largest. And as we see, 2.85 million, 5.21 million, 5.71 million, and so on. After you do this, then you will click on chart. Okay, now you'll be looking for stocks with a history of bouncing off the lower support line. The lower support line is indicated by this blue line that you see going across the screen. Every stock won't have a lower support line, but for this technique, we'll be focusing on those that does. So now let's take a look at a couple of examples. Okay, the first symbol we'll be looking at is EARS, and as we can see, between March and November, it bounced off the lower support line 3 different occasions and went up about 50% afterwards. Let's take a look at ticker symbol KBSR, and as we could see, from mid-September to now, it had formed a lower support line, and it has tested that lower support line on 2 occasions, okay? On the first occasion, it bounced from about $1.75 all the way up to $4, and on the second occasion, it bounced from about $2 all the way up to $3. Okay, for our last example, we'll be looking at SYN. SYN has tested the support line on 2 different occasions. On the first one in April, it bounced off and continued upward till about August. It then retested the support line at the end of October, and it is now currently on an upward path. This will not work 100% of the time, but it does work at least 80% of the time, which is incredible. Keep the trading simple. Use the lower support line as a key indicator on top of good volume. This is a wonderful screener you could use to swing trade stocks. I usually recommend to hold from 2 to 10 weeks. Okay, thank you for checking out my video, Swing Trading with finviz. If you find this information useful, please give me a like and also subscribe if you like to be informed on when I drop new videos.